How about you, Dad? You're gonna be so dizzy.
I did it.
Are you on the teeter-totter, dude?
Yeah.
You having fun?
Yeah. Look, I get out of your butt.
Get on with your butt. Get on with your butt. He's almost all the way to outer space. Is that fun?
Yeah. I'm bigger than you now.
You're bigger than me?
Yeah.
Whoa, careful. Careful. What's up, D-Fam?
What's up?
We hope you guys are doing awesome today. Where in the world are we, kids?
Louisville, Kentucky.
Look at that shot. Another siren going off? We heard the tornado siren earlier today.
Oh my gosh, it was so scary.
And there was an ambulance right by our motorhome.
There was that horrible tornado in Nashville not too long ago, and so now today I woke up and heard a tornado siren and I was so scared, but apparently it was just another test.
So Mom, what do we got planned today here in Louisville, Kentucky?
Well, there's something famous that also shares the name Louisville that we're going to be checking out today. Hint, hint, for all of you sports fans out there, you might know what I'm talking about.
Oh yeah. Well, let's go discover it.
Let's go!
Let's go!
Okay, can anybody guess how many kids it takes to teeter-totter with Dad?
What?
Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. It takes all 4 nice kids
Let's go back.
to teeter-totter with Daddy.
Wow, that's saying something. I mean, our kids are pint sized, but
4 versus 1.
it's actually fun for me. Thanks, kids. Where are we at today?
The Louisville Slugger Museum and Factory.
That was awesome. And what do they make here? What do they do here?
Baseball bats. They make baseball bats for the pros.
That's right.
Look, you see how
And
big
right
that
behind
thing is?
us is a giant Louisville Slugger baseball
We
bat.
won it! We won it! Why didn't it fit?
Oh, the giant baseball bat. Is this cool or what, dude?
Super cool.
All right, let's go check it out.
Let's go. Sorry, no boys allowed.
You're funny, not funny.
We're here. This is the signature wall. 8,000 professional ball players have signed this wall.
We found Babe Ruth. Right there.
Great Bambino. Lots of names. This is from 1911 to 1920.
It's Babe Ruth's signed baseball bat.
Little Georgie boy. The very first bat I ever owned as a kid was a Louisville Slugger.
Cool.
Who's ready to go check out the museum?
Me.
All right, let's go. You ready to go, Rosie Bear?
Yeah.
Okay, buddy.
We're gonna go into the factory where they make the actual baseball bat.
In the beginning, there was time. No room for darkness to take place. Calling for the light. In the mystery of life. Oh, every night has come to this. On every star we'll make a wish. All my life I fought for this, a new beginning.
You guys have a good bat.
Yes, we do. Yes, we do.
Okay, so you don't care if I give them a bat or not, right? Okay, there we go.
What do you say?
All right, hey guys.
Thank you.
That's
All right.
Okay, so we just got done with the factory tour, and now we're checking out all the other awesome things here at the museum. After you actually do the factory tour, you get a free little Louisville Slugger bat.
Check it out.
How
It's
cool is
Roswell's
that?
size. He wants to hit a real ball with it.
So cool.
I didn't very hold it.
That's the perfect little bat for you, dude. Home run.
When you hit it and drop the bat, you one and drop the bat and drop the baseball.
I wonder if they've had any accidents with kids carrying around these little bats here.
This is a simulation of a 90-mile-per-hour fastball.
Would you dare to stand in a 90-mile-per-hour fastball?
No. I'm the best batter in the world. I'll watch this. I wasn't ready for that. You ready, Daddy?
Oh, you didn't even see it.
I missed. I got it.
Come on, Nikoi. If you swing with that, it'll make your muscles bigger.
That's really
So, Louisville Slugger said the only way Josh Dyches could hit a ball is if he had a bat that
I
big.
need a big one. I'll just hold it out like this.
That's right. They knew that was the only way he could hit one, is if he had a giant size bat.
I usually like to rock it a little bit, but
If you hit a tree with a baseball bat, that explode a tree.
if you hit a tree with the baseball bat, it'll explode.
Yeah.
Awesome, Mom.
Whose bat is that?
Orlando Cepeda.
Oh, it's a big bat, buddy. Nicole, whose bat's that? Ricky Henderson. Look at that stand. Are you holding the bat? That's the famous Rosie Bears bat.
This one was one they used in 1973.
Whose bat's that?
Aaron.
Okay. Smile for the ladies.
Babe
Wait, can I
Ruth's bat
point
from
with it? I won't swing
1933.
it.
Is that where it's going? No swinging.
I didn't swing.
You're killing me, Smalls.
Dad, whose baseball bat were you holding?
The Great Bambino.
That's right, his bat from
George
1930.
Babe Ruth.
That was his bat from 1933. He actually held it.
He actually held that
in a game.
at one point in a game. He probably hit a home run with it. I could feel the energy from the bat. No, that was cool though. Piece of history. As a kid, I always wanted to find a Babe Ruth baseball card, and I never found one. So
But now you got.
I found his bat. Doing little batting cages here at the Louisville Slugger Museum, huh?
Yep.
Got a piece. One warming up, buddy. Oh, there you go. Got a little sis out there. Okay. Here we go, Coco. Be a slugger. There we go. Nice.
Once in a sweet, I'm like, all right.
You little rusty, dude?
Yeah. I'm doing the same thing that I had a problem with at the start. I keep swinging it like that.
Instead of pushing the ball.
Yeah. Remember how I
That's
was
what
having
you
a hard
can
time?
hear it like.
Yeah, you're
Just
reaching
barely
for
hit
it
it.
instead of just swinging it.
Yeah, you gotta punch it.
Hey, what do we got going on in here?
Rosie T-ball.
All right, Bubba, show us how to put that big bat on the ball, bro. Louisville Slugger.
You gotta get
Dude,
set.
that was a grand slam. Grand slam again. I think you should take some tips from your little bro.
So they start.
William, you are a Louisville Slugger, bro. Hey, you did good too. Took you a little bit though.
Yeah.
Figure it out. Okay, here we go.
Super mini.
This is fourth grand slam. Hey, you like the pink bat? Hey, Rosie, are you gonna be a Louisville Slugger? Okay, dude.
Okay. Hit it.
Get him a ball.
Okay, and hit it.
Elbow up.
Hold on.
That.
Yeah. Okay, ready?
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice, good, dude.
Today I was
Mashed it. Mashed it. Nice hit, dude. Rosie Bear, do me a Louisville Slugger dance. Home run! Touch home plate. Touch home plate with your foot. Home run. Okay, Rosie, show me your trick.
You hit the ball and it smacks the ball and you drop it and
Touch the home plate, dude. Oh, he missed it. You gotta touch it. Touch it. Step on the plate. Home run.
Wait, what are we doing? Besides yawning.
Getting a personalized bat.
That's right.
We're getting a black and gold one with our name on it and our logo.
That's right. Are you gonna be a big baseball player? Yeah? How do you hold the bat? Yeah, that's pretty good, but let's not swing it in there.
Dyches Fam got a little present at the Louisville Slugger Museum. This is gonna help us remember that we came here. Tayden, why don't you do us the honors and pull it out, bro?
Can I touch this?
You ain't gonna hurt it, bro.
Oh, dang.
Oh,
guys, look! It has our symbol and it says
that is so sweet. Look at that, dude.
It says Dyches Fam.
Look at it.
Dyches Fam.
Dyches Fam logo. The Dyches Fam was at Louisville Slugger Stadium. Rosie, hold this back. Is the Dyches Fam bat heavy?
I love my baseball bat.
You love your baseball bat.
We're just gonna hang it on the wall, so.
What do you think, Nicole?
That's awesome.
Can you guys picture this hanging in the Dyches Fam's new home?
Sorry, it doesn't fit in the RV, so I don't know where you're gonna put it.
Go ahead, William, hold it. I pass the bat baton to you.
What's my bat? What's my baseball bat? What?
Pretty sweet.
What do you think, Mom?
I think no intruders better try to break into the Dyches Fam RV because now we have a weapon.
Yeah. You're gonna get a Louisville slugging if you try to.
You'll get a Dyches Fam symbol.
No, a Louisville slugging and a Dyches Fam beatdown. Never in my life did I ever think that I would get a personal, customized baseball bat for the Dyches Fam. This is so awesome. I love it. This means a lot to me because this means that we traveled the world in an RV to Louisville, Kentucky, and bought this bat at the Louisville Slugger Museum. Something I'm never gonna forget. Yeah, yeah.
All that baseball swinging made you pretty hungry, huh?
Yep.
That's right. Bryce, are you hungry?
I want a hamburger.
You're having a hamburger?
Yeah, I want a cheese hamburger.
A cheese hamburger? Okay, I think they got those here. Sound good? Give me thumbs up, bro. Did you get a French fry, Roz? Show me. Oh, pub style fries. Oh yeah.
And that butter?
Take a big old bite of that burger.
They're like oil. See, they taste the chocolate. That is crispy. I've never seen her.
I think Nicole's hungry. Daddy, what'd you get?
I got a giant barbecue burger. It's got cheese curds and onion rings on it.
Yum.
Cheese curds on it? How are you gonna fit that in your mouth?
Very messily.
How are those fries, dude?
Delicious.
They're like English pub style, right?
Yeah.
This place has homemade ice cream. Aiden, what kind did you get?
Spiced pineapple.
Spiced pineapple. Roswell, what kind did you get?
I got vanilla.
Vanilla. William, what kind did you get?
Vanilla.
Nicole, what kind did you get?
Nutella.
Nutella. Dad, don't you come over here and think you're gonna get a bite of this delicious carrot cake.
I'm sorry, you better ask nicely so you can have a bite. What's so funny?
Okay, everybody, cheese. 1, 2, 3.
Hey, say wee wee. Tatum, don't put your head down. I'm trying to block something. Wee wee. What's so funny? Have you ever seen a naked statue? Oh, it's the statue of David. Yeah.
Say wee wee.
Oh, there's sunshine, blessed sunshine. Oh, look at this building. I wonder what's inside this building. Oh, it's the Kentucky Science Center. Whoa, that's kind of great.
Have more limbs, but you have more voices. Watch this. Hello. It echoes. Do you hear that? Echo. 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 Echo.
Getting beads. Rosie, did you get some beads on your head?
The rain monster!
Hi, Nicole.
Hi.
Go have fun.
Okay.
Welcome to Tilt City. She built this city with experiment. She built Tilt City with experiment. Gears. Guys, she built this city with gears. This is awesome.
Ross, hold on.
This is what McCoy's been doing for like 2 hours. Right?
Having fun at the science
All you do is
museum.
you turn this one little knob and it turns all
Hundreds of gears.
So
this is like a city in real life, McCoy.
my idea is that this is the master key, and these are all the hotels that you can stay in. And then when you wake up, you can come out of your hotel, and then you can stand on one of these, and it will bring you around. Then you step onto the next one, and it brings you wherever you want to go. And then these are all
I
like
want to go to Disney Tilts.
Disney tilt. And then these are like all the shops,
Uh-oh, she
the
broke
breaking shops.
it. You break it, you buy it.
Can you record the animals, please?
You want me to record the animals so that these guys can see them?
Yes.
Okay. You got it. Guys, before I record the animals for Tayden, I want you to know that that is a real mummy. For reals. Like, no joke. Real mummy. Right there.
Is the mummy at the Louisville Slugger
See?
male or female?
Told you guys.
In the latest technology, this ancient
Female.
mystery has been solved. At Baptist Hospital East,
Guys,
scientists
that's the
performed
actual
a
mummy right there.
mummy that revealed many fascinating facts about the mummy's life.
Guys, seriously, like, this is the casket that they found this mummy in. I don't, like, it's so cool. I'm not sure why it's here, but look at that. That is so awesome. And here comes the animals. rocket launch. Since, you know, we're going to be NASA scientists, right?
Heck yes.